It's very important when setting up for a permanent makeup procedure to ensure that your tray is set up properly to avoid cross-contamination. The number one rule when setting up your PMU tray is to ensure that every item on the tray is completely disposable. You never want to have non-disposable items like your cell phone or your pigment bottles on your tray. This is very important because once you've put on your gloves, if you're touching things that are non-disposable, like your phone or your pigment bottles, you could be cross-contaminating when touching your client's skin. Next, if you have to touch a non-disposable item during the procedure, make sure to deglove, throw those gloves away, and then once you're ready, get a new set of gloves and continue with your procedure. Changing your gloves only takes a few seconds, but it is a habit that you must adhere to 100% of the time to ensure your client's safety. If at any point you need to clean your I Love ink bottles, ensure that you're cleaning them with at least 70% alcohol. The reason that you want to keep your I Love ink bottles away from your tray while you're working and make sure to change your gloves is because while you're working on your client, you may be exposed to their blood. You don't want to spread bloodborne pathogens from your gloves onto your bottles and then expose your next client to them as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions about cross-contamination, be sure to leave it in the comment section below, and we'll see you next time.